It's 10 a.m. and this is nature's trick on us the day before Halloween. As you can see, anybody that's anybody is cleaning up. They're down here plowing this business along with this parking lot that's used by the church behind us. Many of you saw my video before from last night. It was a little dark, but I did come out about 10:30, 11 o'clock last night and cleaned the snow off of this tree. As you can see, there's just that much still on it. And there's the broken limbs. It fell off due to this wet snow. So it looks like a couple more didn't make it. But as you can see, it looks like life goes on. People walking, people going up and down the street. This guy here is plowing on a hell of a big mess. I hope he's not going to leave it there. Not in front of my place anyways. Alright, let's go get some snow measurements. Try it back over here where I tried it out in the yard the last time. Now, it doesn't look like much more than last night. 7 inches there. Sun's been out for a while, so that's gonna make a big difference. We'll check it on the table over here. Oh, almost 10 inches. 9.5 it looks like. So that goes to show you how much we got here. I mean, you can see what's on the vehicles. I'm going to walk out here in the parking lot. Now see, like before I said, it seems to be a lot deeper here, but nope, it's still 10.5 or 9.5, whatever it was. Okay. Like I say, there's the church that uses this parking lot. This is about what the house looks like. And unfortunately, shortly after I make this, I gotta clean this mess up. It's one hell of a thing to see in October. Alright, that's it.